The city of Louisville is working to combat homelessness in a few different ways. Mayor Greg Fisher and Metro Council have designated American Rescue Plan funds to curb this issue specifically. But there are other organizations looking to provide stepping stones for those who are in need of homes and get them long-term assistance. Goodwill Industries of Kentucky teamed up with Metro Council to start a pilot program called Another Way. It's a van that drives around to pick up those who are homeless so they can participate at those at-work sites in exchange for a stipend. So today we are joined by Metro Councilman Markus Winkler. He's representing District 17, which borders roughly the Brownsboro area to the north and LaGrange Road, I should say, to the south. So where do we stand with the Another Way project and then our hopes for it in the future?
Sure. I think it's really one of the success stories in the city. We started as a pilot last year, had one van running around, and then in the budget this year we increased funding. Goodwill's been able to acquire a second van and are currently working on a third. They also have outreach workers. And so our goal is to be able to hit most sites where people are sort of a visible need a couple of times a week, offer them day work, and then ultimately get them connected with service. And that's where we've seen just tremendous success with this program. Are
we seeing the majority of the people we come in contact with want to do this, or are they bypassing it?
Yeah, it's actually pretty remarkable. It was when we started the pilot, I thought most people would tell us to keep going and weren't interested. And actually we found the exact opposite. These are folks that want to work, they want an opportunity. There are just multiple barriers in their way. And one of the nice things about this program is, they don't have to have an ID. We don't ask them about their criminal record. The van pulls up, offers them day work. They contribute. They've done work like during the COVID vaccines. They were working the LUVAC site, directing traffic. They've laid floor at the volleyball tournaments at the convention center. They pick up trash through some litter abatement measures. And overwhelmingly, the feedback we get from them is that they just want to contribute. So this is a way to get them connected, and then again, after they work, we take them to the Goodwill Employment Center, where Goodwill tries to connect them with mental health services, substance abuse services, housing support services, and so we're really excited about it.
So when you see that van on the streets, know what the good it is doing. We want to just bring to the attention too, obviously the mayoral election is coming up in just about 3 weeks. Public safety on everyone's mind. What is the one priority that whoever wins should take on?
Sure. I think our approach to public safety really should have three focus areas: prevention, enforcement, and adjudication. We've funded a lot of work around prevention that's starting to bend the curve. The enforcement component, we've got to get our LMPD back up to full force strength. That's really the number one priority for the next mayors, is making sure that they're leading the charge, getting officers on the streets. That's critical. And then working with our judiciary, putting pressure on them that if you are convicted of a violent crime, that we've got maximum enforcement of those crimes. I think that's what we're looking for leadership from the next mayor, and I'm hopeful that we'll get that.
Councilman, thank you so much for joining us here.
My pleasure.
I know you got some meetings coming up and then bedtime with the kids. We've
That's
already
right.
been discussing that, so thank you for carving out that time.